Hey guys, it's Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. I'm here with my friend Abu Bakr. He's very busy at the moment. Yes. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use mirror down. First you need to activate it in your system. So to do that, if you have a multifunction display, you just go right, then you go convenience. Oh shit, you meant to press OK. My bad. Okay, so you press OK, and then mirror down, you have to have it ticked, and then when you just press OK to tick it, and then done, and then just press back. If you don't have a multifunction steering wheel, you can use these to control it. I don't know how you do it, but there's a tutorial online how to do it, so please watch that. Okay, so once you've got that on, okay, so basically because we drive on the right side of the road, you need the left, it needs to be in the left setting, because that only that mirror will go down at the moment. I'm not too sure about this one, it might go down, but this mirror motor doesn't work at the moment. I don't know why, so I'll sort that out. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. So you put in the left setting, and then you want to put it in reverse, and watch this mirror here closely. Okay, you can see my cousin in the back. As you can see, it's gone down and to the left. Now on my screen I can see down, but for this you can't see much. But yeah, so that's how it works, and then you go straight back up to your normal setting once you put it in park or whatever.
No, just put it in drive.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.